Hey, Scott Murray here, Level 5 Tools. I want to talk to you about how to make a good joint knife. I've been making joint knives for over 20 years. We know how to make really good joint knives, and it's not very easy. So there's a couple critical things. Number one, you want to have a nice long tang on your blade. So you'll find that Level 5, we move up into the handle farther than most brands. The other thing you want to have is what's called a hollow grind. So you want to have your flex point that's about 1.5 inches up from the edge of the blade. You don't want to have a stiff blade that only bends up here, and you don't want to have a blade like this that's got no bend in it whatsoever. So this is critical. The way this is made is, this is a 1 millimeter blade. We grind that down to about 0.6 millimeters, and then it goes thicker out on the end again, so you're getting that perfect flex when you're on the wall. So it's critical to have a nice long tang, high quality material, but you gotta have that hollow grind across the middle, which is very, very critical to a good joint knife. Check us out at level5tools.com. Welcome to the Red Zone.